I am Sanvi. Today I am going to show how to solve 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube. First, the important parts are the center part, edges and the corners. First, I am going to shuffle this. So now it is fully shuffled. So now I am going to do the daisy. Every time the white should be down. I have done the daisy like this. So now we have to match the center color. This green is already matched, so I am doing twice like this so that it will match like this. Here orange is also matched twice. It is matched here, and here this will come here. Blue matched 2 times, and I am going to match red now. It is also matched. See, the plus came here. Now we have to do the corners. These both are same, so we have to do like this. This is same, so it came down here. Another one. Here it's also done, and this one. See, the first layer is completed fully. Now we have to do the second layer. It's done. So the second layer is also completed. So the last layer first, then for last layer we have to do the plus here. Already the sleeping lion symbol has come. Face 1, 2, 3, 4 done. Okay, now we have to match them. 2 are only matched, one back side, one right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now everything has matched. This is matched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything has been matched. Now, done. We have to only move the down part when we are reversing the cube. See, now our 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube is solved. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel, like, share my channel, and please ring the bell beside the subscribe button. Thank you.